Hello students, today we will take the price effect, the theory related with the price effect. Well, generally fall in the price causes the consumer to buy more of it. In other words, as the income increases, its effect is negative on the substitution effect work in the same direction. So, as I say, that the demand of X rises when its price falls. In economics, this theory is called the price effect. Secondly, the price relates to demand in functions is called the demand curve, which is shown through the demand curve, and the price effect is related with the price curve. Now, mainly there are three type of price effects we will discuss today. First is called the normal good. Type second is the non-Giffen inferior good. And third type of price effect is known as Giffen inferior goods. Well, the normal goods, a change, a change either it is positive or negative in the income directly affects the demand. Suppose I say television. Now television also rises and leads to rightward shift. If the income increases, then definitely I will go from my plasma to much more better quality of TV. So this curve will lead to the rightward shift. On the other hand, if there is a fall in prices, assuming alternatives remains at the same price encourages consumer to switch to the cheaper product. Here, if I am going for the cheaper product, then the alternatives are there. Then you can say I have other choices also there when I can choose from different ABC, etc. Other things, as I say, the tastes and preferences of the consumers, the prices of other goods, and all these are treated to be constant. Okay, these all factors are constants. What is changing? The prices are changing. Now let us take now let us before discussing the diagram, now let us discuss about the Giffen, or what are the inferior goods and what are the effects of the prices on those. Now if the X price rises, so the Y demand also rises, cause it is the substitute for X. Like if I say if the tea prices increases, so the the coffee demand also increases, because here the prices are increasing, so people are switching to the coffee demand. Secondly, if the X price rise, so Y demand gets down. See here, just pay attention. I'm saying if the X price rises, so Y demand get down. Cause the income of the consumer rise, then the Y goods become inferior goods for them. If my income will increase, definitely, as I say, I will buy more luxurious good and more expensive things for me. Then I will go for the X goods, and the Y goods are becoming inferior, or you can say much cheaper goods for me. So this theory also comes under the price effect theory, when we treat the normal goods and another goods as the Giffen or non-Giffen inferior goods. Now let us take this example. As you can see, there are two diagrams here. One is showing the demand for Y, and another one is showing the demand for T. Here, when the prices are P, so the quantity P1, so the quantity was Q1. As the prices goes up, P2, the quantity also, the quantity for the demand also increases, Q1 QT. So this diagram, the image 1 shows the close substitutes. Close substitutes means which clearly indicates the small rise in the price. Here you can see the prices was rise in a small way, and the small rise in this price of X causes the large rise in the demand for Y. this is the demand for Y, and these were the prices for X. So small rising in the price causes the large rise in the demand for Y. Okay, so we have taken two factors, Y and X, and which is showing the close substitutes. Now let us take the second diagram. Now second diagram, as you can see, quantity 1, again this is the price of S and this is the demand for T. Here on the other hand, second image is showing the weak substitutes. As you can see, there is a large rise in the price. Here the price of P1 and it changes into the much large scale. So in price of S, it leads to the small change. Here the demand which was Q1 earlier, it turns to the Q2. So the price of S leads to small increase in demand for T. So here this diagram is showing the weaker substitutions. So this all also comes under the price effect, where we have to take much consideration about the prices, and second thing, which substitutes and other alternatives are available in the market.